They look so fucking good.
Really? Good morning! Today is an action-packed day. We just got back from the ski trip last night. I had a soccer game immediately, so went to that. But today I have a bunch of work and I'm headed to Target to get ingredients to make Oreo balls. Tonight at my church group, we are doing a potluck and I'm going to do that because it's tasty and delicious and I think it'll be easier and way more successful than my previous cookie baking endeavor. So we're going to go get those ingredients now. And tonight I also am going to my friend Noe's apartment and we are going to be doing like a cute gingerbread craft making night. So a night full of friends and food and gingerbread house making. Oh, it's cold in the city. First ingredient is obviously Oreos and they're having a 2 for $8 sale. So do I get two? Dilemma. Okay, let's see what's on the ingredient list. Oreos, cream cheese, chocolate for the dipping, and that's literally it. Oh my god, so easy. I feel like I made these a long time in high school. So let's just get, I'm just gonna get 2. Why the heck not? Oh. Well, this is on sale too for $4.79, so I'll just get a 2-pack and I guess I'll just make a bunch of Oreo balls. And last thing is chocolates. Milk chocolates. No butterscotch. Milk chocolates. Let's get started on making these Oreo balls. And I haven't made these since I was in like high school maybe, but these I'm very confident that I can do successfully, unlike the other cookies. We are going to start out by crushing all of these Oreos into these bags into like little fine pieces. I think I'm gonna empty it into this bowl and then I'll just squish it up more with a spoon. My high school used to have a thing called Spirit Week where people would go and they would make Oreos, or this one girl made these amazing pretzels, which I need to find the recipe for. They were called magic pretzels and they were just like little pretzel bites with the best seasoning on them. I was just texting my friend about this. I can taste them now. My mouth is watering. You would sell this and all the money and the proceeds would go towards like philanthropies or the school. And so for during Spirit Week, one of the biggest things was people would make Oreo balls and they would sell like 4 Oreo balls for like $1. And that's just like where most of my memories of Oreo balls come from. So I just associate all Oreo balls with Spirit Week. This is the last bag of Oreos, and then I'm gonna crush them with like a fork or something. I feel like this will be a good breaking tool. Why did I do that? It's like a brick, what is it, a mortar and pestle or whatever? Oh my gosh, I was so smart and I used my magic bullet to make like the clumps of Oreos into a smaller powder, so it's such a better consistency. And now that I've done that, it is time to add the cream cheese. And then it says refrigerate the mixture for 30 minutes. So let's work on mixing these two together. All right, that is all perfectly mixed together. So we are going to refrigerate for 30 minutes and then we'll come back, we'll put the balls in a circle and then we'll work on dipping them in chocolate. cream cheese. I'm thinking for the chocolate outer shell, we're going to do half milk chocolate and half dark chocolate, and then maybe do some like zigzags on top if we have time. So I'll use half of the chocolate for both and to do different bowls. Okay, so we just got 2 Noes, and I'm gonna let them try my Oreo balls before I dish them out to my church group, because if they're bad, then that's unfortunate. But this is how they turned out.
Wait, you made that much?
Yes, I made these by scratch by these very 2 hands. Wait, Taylor, come here.
They look so fucking good.
Really?
I'm obsessed with chocolate.
So there's dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and then there's some like dark chocolate with little milk on it, and then milk with.
How do you know which one's dark chocolate? Like the darker color?
The darker color is dark chocolate, and that's like
I
milk with
definitely want the dark
dark.
chocolate one.
I'm so excited.
Wait, which is the dark chocolate?
That's a dark chocolate one, and then it has some milk on it. Or if you just want plain dark, there's right there.
Trying to spit it out.
She was like, "Oh, this is literally horrible."
No, they're really good.
It's so good. How do you make it?
Literally just crushed up Oreos with cream cheese to get it stick together, and you just dip them in chocolate.
I made these like such a long time ago and I forgot about them.
I told them last time I was sick, like 6 years ago. Like no, longer than that. When I was like high school. Guess who's here?
What's up, guys?
She's like, guys, we did it. We influenced her to getting this camera.
Yeah, I have no idea how it works. I barely charged it for the first time, but I have it.
Oh, you actually have it. Did you bring it with you?
No.
Oh.
No, I'm like loosely vlogging this week. I vlogged like 3 clips today, sorry. But next week will be like really rolling.
Yeah, Taylor's just redoing it because she wanted a white top.
We're redecorating.
Yes. Got mine. Nice little classic wreath. Let's go look at Sam and Noe's. Sam's is beautiful, blue bow themed.
We're gonna say they're both.
Wait, no, yours is so cute. What do you mean? I like the roof. It's pink and yellow to match. The pink roof?